Hey guys, Barefoot Dave here. So I have to introduce this video you're getting ready to watch. This is probably one of the scariest things I've ever done. It was dangerous, and I really don't recommend anyone doing something like this, but this was a bridge in Shirley, Arkansas over the Red River, and it was actually a railroad trestle that had been converted to an automobile bridge. And to say the least, it was very narrow. It didn't have any guardrails on parts of it, and it was probably like a 50-foot drop down to the river. So this one's going to keep you on the edge of your seat. Hope you enjoy it. Oh my word.
Wide enough
Oh my
for
word.
a bicycle.
You sure we can drive across this thing?
She said it too.
Oh my word.
They said just don't turn.
This is a little scary. I have to say, I'm going to go very slow.
You good here?
Oh my word. This is
Quite narrow.
like one of the scariest things I've done. I think I may want to go back another way, Scott. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. The truck behind me is coming on across. I guess he was a little
Waiting to
skeptical.
Yeah.
He's going to see if we fall in, and if we don't fall in, then he's going to
If they
go
jump,
across.
I'll jump.
Okay, I don't think anywhere else they would let you do something like this.
Right.
Yes. They would have condemned that bridge, and nobody would ever been allowed to cross. Oh, whew, we made it. Okay, well, we've got to go back across this thing. Oh my goodness.
Just watch your side. Stay good on your side and your...
I can't even look down.
No.
There is something in the water down there. Man, don't drop your phone. Oh gosh. There's like this big slab of something down there
Yeah.
in the
Big
water.
slab of rock.
Oh, it looks man-made, whatever it is.
Wow.
I think they just poured concrete right on top of the wood. Okay, there's like, oh gosh, maybe a foot of pavement to the left and right of my wheels.
Yeah, you're good. You got a good 12 inches. Maybe 10.
I just shivered when we got across. Okay, we just drove across this bridge, and I was in an SUV and I was scared to death. Now, look at this sign. Well, for some reason, there we go. Who's going to drive a semi-truck or any kind of big truck across this bridge? There's no way. That's only 8 foot wide, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna walk.
Lay down on it.
I'm gonna walk out here. There is something in the water under this bridge, and I'm going to see what it is. It looks like railroad tracks. Let me get a little closer here. This is so scary. No way.
Yeah.
No way. Yeah, I don't know what that is down there, but it looks like a train. No, that's wood, whatever it is. Okay. Scary place, very scary. Okay, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. and stay tuned for more Barefoot Days adventures. Have a good one.